Hello, my name is Jamie Gomez, and this is Biblical Genres. What am I reading? So, you're in a library. Most of the time, we kind of know what we want to read, but let's just say we don't. So, we locate the signs with the genre around the library. This helps point us in the right direction of where we need to go to find the book we're looking for. So, what is the word genre? Genre is the French word meaning form or kind, a specific kind of communication. Now, literary genre refers to a different category or type of literature that's found in the Bible. The three main genres or literary styles that you will find in your Bible are narrative at 43%, poetry at 33%, and prose discourse at 24%. So, what is narrative? Narrative or stories are created to communicate the key events and or people. It consists of a plot or a sequence of events, the setting, where it takes place, the characters, and the author's viewpoint. What is he trying to tell us at that specific time? The three types of narrative in the Bible are the historical narratives, parables, and biographical narratives. Now, if you're going to look through your Bible for a narrative or a story to read, check these out here. The plot in a biblical narrative tells a character going through a series of events, encountering some kind of conflict, and then coming to a resolution with the help and guidance of God. Even today, we identify with some of these characters from the Bible because of our relatable struggles and because of sin. Now, the Bible doesn't often tell us the description of most of these characters. So, this is where the author uses physical descriptions, like if they're tall, short, strong, their symbolic names, what their names mean, and the limited commentary that's provided in our Bibles. The setting prepares us, the reader, for what's going to happen. The locations of the events generate expectations for us. For example, Egypt is a place or a setting in the Bible that makes one automatically think of plagues, slavery, and sin. So every time we hear that in the Bible, we automatically assume something bad is about to happen. Now, the viewpoint of the author's message can be found when he uses repeated words or ideas. Poetry is another main genre found in our Bible. The Bible Project defines it as this: a kind of literature that evokes a concentrated imaginative awareness of one's experience or emotion by means of well-crafted language that is chosen for its meaning, sound, and rhythm. It is created to evoke emotions and is to express what is beyond words. It consists of metaphors, imagery, sound and structural devices, and parallelism. The three types are songs or psalms, wisdom literature, and prophets. Poetry can be found in your Bible in these books here. Biblical poetry doesn't use meters or rhyming like your traditional poems do. They have more of what's called a free verse. They also use a different kind of order, where they're using tools like couplets and repetition. So couplets are basically two lines that are carefully worded and placed beside each other, where the first line is a basic statement, and the second develops that statement by completing it or deepening it with a contrast. And then repetition is used to create elaborate patterns and invite that reader using refrain, which is the key line repeated multiple times, or inclusio, where they open and then close the poem with a similar couplet. The final genre is prose discourse, also known as a persuasive genre. This literary style is situational or occasional, written to a specific group of people or for a specific event. Biblical discourse is found in law collections, which are the first 5 books of the Bible, wisdom literature like Job, Proverbs, and Ecclesiastes, and in the letters or epistles found in Romans through Jude. In conclusion, these three main literary styles or genres are going to be the primary genres you're going to find in your Bible. However, there will be other unique combinations of different literary styles embedded within their text. Understanding what you're reading or what the author is trying to tell you is going to help interpreting the Bible so much more enjoyable.